Good medical morning. This is Watson, your Prince of Popping and Warlord of the Weird, and today we're going to showcase some of my favorite medical clips of the week. The first is a fan-submitted infected pimple. Leave a comment below. Does this look like staph? Next is a 39-year-old man who was working on an outdoor deck for a client a few weeks ago. That's when his left eye started itching. He chalked it up to allergies at first, and then to a sinus infection after his eye got goopy. He had no idea his contact lenses were the problem. Doctors at Cincinnati Eye Institute diagnosed him with a bacterial infection that was quickly destroying his cornea. Ouch. This dilated pore took the internet by storm last week. What an incredible pop. And this clogged pore is an oldie, but a goodie. In a moment, I'll show you how you can get blackhead masks at a very reasonable price. I'll show you a few more pimple pops to give you just enough time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell for updates. If you like this, you'll love our other videos. Let's learn a little more about blackhead masks. Then I'm going to talk to Adam. Why does he insist on calling me Warlord of the Weird? Huh. Hey folks, if you're looking for a great gift, try an activated charcoal blackhead peel mask. They're fun to peel off and to watch in action. They're great for cleaning out pores and removing blackheads and dead skin. And they leave your skin feeling smooth for up to a couple weeks. So check out the link below to get one for your friends, family, loved ones, or yourself. Thanks for watching.